Consider this evil empire thing as a threat.
Yeah. Bad boy collabo. chea. Skip. Look, it's Keisha Cole and the Black Kenneth Cole. Black Air Ones, all black soul. I'm about to take control like Janet. Damn it, can't stand it, so deaf. JD can't handle it. Bust shots in LA, bust shots in New York. Bust shots for Big and Pac puffin' his Newport. Crazy shit that happen when you mix rapping with trapping. Fuck around and get your wig pushed backwards. Twist up the backwoods, blow that thing. California license plate, you know that Benz. I'm focused like a Kodak lens. Park my Aston Martin by the garden, tell him to hold that thing. I'm back in Cali, twisting up the Cali. Palm trees in the breeze make it feel like Maui. Guess this how a nigga supposed to feel when you're 29 sitting on 29 mil. I don't make up with bitches, I get me a new cover girl. One I can trust, no hoes inside the rubber girl. I fuck all girls, tall ones, big bitches. Drove my car down Broadway, hit switches. Been through Queens with 50 in Lamborghinis. Drove through Texas in a brand new Lexus. GS shit, the best shit I mess with. The further I go down south, better the sex get. But that's me, sipping on Don P, blowing Cali's finest. I don't mean palm trees. On 3, niggas meet me at the bar, bitches valet cars and come dance with a star. Better yet, I'm the American Idol. Strapped with assault rifles pointed at my rivals. My elevator going straight to the top, nigga, I won't stop. Diddy, let's get it. What's a bad boy? Same as a goon. Before I step in the room, you see a sign saying Diddy coming soon. Haters, I'm still dancing, young, black, and handsome. Sean John 2-piece, smelling better than Branson. New York Knicks, courtside, nigga, and one. I can stop making the bands, cause I am one. New York need me, Cali gave me a star. If you don't believe me, Hollywood Boulevard, you can go there. If you ever need the D-I-double-D-Y-B-A-D-B-O-Y. Good in any hood, no vest, no 4-5.